Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and this week I am planning my classic happy planner for the week of January 11th through the 17th. And this week on Wednesday, it's National Sticker Day. So of course, hello, I had to incorporate that into my planner, and it's kind of become the whole theme, I guess I would say. I taught a Michael's class last week, and it was on Mambi sticks. And I talked about using them in your planner to add just some fun variety and just a different scale, like to have bigger images in your planner, and it's a lot of fun. So I did pick something from here. There's a ton of like really cute things you can add in, graphics and letters, and just a lot of fun. So I am using one of these, and then I also pulled a sticker from here. I'm using the Brights value pack. And again, if you don't have these, you can find Bright stickers pretty much in a million different sticker books. I also grabbed out, this is an oldie. I don't use these very often. I'm actually going to come up with a way. I think I'm going to actually kind of take these apart. I forget that I have them. They've got stickers at the top, sticky notes, and then these punched cards. I was going to use these little sticker books for National Sticker Day. I also grabbed out Planner Babe and Miss Maker, again, for those sticker books like this. Alrighty, so here is what I picked out so far. This is from this big Mambi sticks. I thought it'd be really fun. This one is from this little everyday sticker pad. Another thing that I forget I have, I encourage you to go back and look at the stuff that you own. Like I've got a ton of these stickers and I forget about them. And as I was flipping through it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Because it's not a standard sticker book, I think I forget that I have them. So don't forget to use the stuff you've got. These stickers came out of this big sticker pack. These are in Miss Maker, and these up here are in the Planner Babe. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of do something bright and rainbow and go with that whole theme and vibe for the week. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the big one. Like, I'm just going to go for it. I'm kind of nervous to put such a big one down. I'm like, this better be straight. Okay, so I'm just gonna, you know what, I'm going for it. I'm gonna just put it down. There. Look, I'm already done. No, I'm just kidding. It took up a good real estate, but it looks really pretty. I don't have much going on Monday. If I do, I can put boxes, strategically placed throughout this. So I think it's gonna actually work out perfect. It's gonna snow here in Central Texas tomorrow on Sunday, and I'm like fingers crossed that I don't have to leave the house on Monday. So I'm hoping. I know it probably won't stick and it probably, will melt by then, but it's a big deal if it snows in Texas. Alrighty. So let's see. National Sticker Day is when I'm going to put it right here in the middle. I'm going to go for this, and I'm going to probably layer. So I'll probably stack some stuff underneath. Okay, and then I know I have to grab some boxes because I know I have something on Thursday. And then I think I want this right. Well, let's see. I want this little rainbow guy. He can probably go, yeah. Try to look and see where I want these to go. I'm going to put this here. Yes, I just loved the teal color, and it kind of has that rainbow vibe and theme. And I'm going to put this one right up here. Saturday has kind of become the get all the things done day so that I can relax on Sunday. So I know I'm going to definitely have some stuff I'm going to need to do that day. Okay. I like this, but I'm not a big fan of the lettering and the kind of glittery sparkles around it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one because I love this one, but I feel like that's kind of cute up there. I feel like if I use the big one, it might be too big because I've got this big graphic right there. It might, I think it just kind of, yeah, I think I want to use the smaller one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just cut it. Don't be afraid to cut the stickers up. I know I say that a lot, but I think a lot of people think, oh no, that's, you know, you've got to use them exactly how they are. I mean, you could save this and use the words. It's just, I think for what I'm going for, it does not work. If it works with your theme, yeah, then leave it on there and go for it. But for me, it just didn't go. All right, so now I've got to decide, maybe, oops. Do I want it peeking out? I think I want it peeking out the top. So I'm going to just kind of put it right there. I think that's cute. Yeah, that's good. And then I'm going to use, ooh, maybe I Heart stickers. Give me all the stickers. Let's see. That might be fun. Yeah, let's just stack it right on top. Hold on. I think right there works. Did I get it on straight? Yes. Okay, that's cute. And then I can put that it's National Sticker Day. This might be too, I think there's so much wording there. That might be like over the top. And let's look at this one. I have a feeling it will be too. But what I could do is, I've got an idea. I'm cutting them again. I'm going to cut Give Me off. And I'm just going to cut the S off right there. And I'm going to use the word sticker for National Sticker Day. And I'll just put this right here. Whoop. And then I'll just write with black National and then Day. I think that'll be really cute. Okay, so I've got that down. We've got these down. I think I'm close. See, when you've got a theme like this, and look, with this being so much going on, I don't really need to add too much. But I think it's, so far, it's coming out really cute. I forget, again, another thing that I forget to use are these big sticker books. If you're looking for a specific color or a box, it's real easy to just look through here and find what you need. Also, oh, I like this. Let's see if this works this weekend. I have a couple pages that fell out, so I gotta use these, right? And this one, I really like those. Okay, let's take a look. I'm gonna close this up. Okay. Let's see if this fits anywhere. I really like this weekend one. Oh my gosh, look, it really wants to go down. Wait, not ready. Okay. I've got to get my tool because, again, I want to be able to see. Now, ooh, let's try it here. Why not? And I'm touching it. I know it sounds weird, but like I'm kind of getting it so that if I change my mind, it's going to come up easier. So I just kind of tap it a couple times. Maybe I should overlap this. Yeah, let's do that. Oh my gosh, now I'm not even putting it on straight. Hold up. Okay. I'm going to do that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I normally don't do like rainbow spreads, but this one's a lot of fun. Okay. So I like that. And then I think in order to kind of add some like different look to it, instead of using colored boxes, I'm going to use the black. I think that will really set it. And then maybe use some of these washi, like little washi strips. So let me grab my black colorful boxes and I'll be right back. I've grabbed my colorful boxes and I also did, just like I did the colorful boxes, I made a book of all of the holidays. So that way I've got celebrations and birthdays and all of the different holiday stickers in one place. I was looking through here and I did find a sticker day sticker. As I was flipping through, let me see if I can get to it. Where is that one? Here, I think it's right here. Yeah, so there is a sticker day, but I actually think I like mine better. So what I'm going to do is I was going to flip and grab a sticker that I doubt I will use. So I'm going to grab this one right here. And I'm going to, now I could very easily, write day, but I kind of don't want to. I'm going to go for this. I'm going to take this one and cut this off of here. I normally use tiny scissors when I'm doing this, but I left them on my other desk. So I am going for the big ones. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, so now I've got day. And I'm just gonna put it right there. That's cute. Okay, I think that matches really well. And next up, I'm gonna grab some boxes so that I can put the things that I have going on for the week. Okay. So Thursday, I've got something here. So I'm gonna put it right, well, where do I want this? Ooh. Oh man, now it's getting hard. I think I'm gonna put it here. Okay. And then Friday, I'm trying to decide if I want to do maybe a bigger square like this. I'll do it like that. There we go. Alrighty. And these, a lot of times I'll just put something here. So it, I know these are designed for the monthly, but I just like to use those squares. So I will just put something there. Okay, and I thought it'd be fun to kind of use these little washi strips. Oh, why did I do that? That might be too long. That's too long. That's weird. Nope. Okay, hold on. Let's try this. What if I love to have it like kind of overlapping the box, but I feel like it's not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to do it like that. All right. And I could do something similar over here, but I've got to figure out something I can put. Oh, I know. I mean, well, let's see. I say I know, but I'm not sure. I could do a sticker book, but is that that might be too weird. Let's look. Because it's not National Sticker Day's over here. So is that strange? Let's see. We'll just see. I feel like it is. This has nothing to do with stickers. I'm trying to make sense of everything. Oh well, let's see. It's gonna be Friday. And I've got to kind of keep it. I get weird about, I do have a lot of different fonts going on, but I try not to get too crazy. Let's see. Ooh, Saturdays are for crafting. How cute is that? All right, let's flip through here. There's I love stickers. Feeling crafty is kind of fun. And it's black and let's see. Oh, that's pretty cute. So whenever you need to cover up something, if you're using one of these boxes that are designed for your monthly, just in your regular planner, it's really easy to add a fun sticker and get that look. It just looks like you layered. No one's gonna know. Alrighty. And let's see. I don't know. I feel like if I put this here, it's going to cover up the... No, it's cute. Okay. So I've got that and that. I feel like I need something here, but I just don't know because this is so, like, it's weighted on this side, but I like it like that. I don't know. All right, let's see. I do want to add just I'm sure something's gonna, something will happen on Monday. So I'm trying to decide, I think I'm gonna put one here to write in, and maybe one more right up here. Wait, I made it crooked. Oh my goodness. And there goes my whole page. It's like, don't take it off. Do you ever, see, that's why I do like to at least kind of touch the sticker or put it on something else before I, holding my breath, before I do it, because that way it's a little easier to come up. Okay. And they don't come up when you're in your planner, but if you want them to come up, they can. All right. I think that's good. That one kind of bugs me, but we'll see. I feel like I've got enough words. I feel like it's weighted enough. I'm not sure what I'll put here. Maybe just a box and one more washi strip. I'm going to use this size. Okay, put that one right there. And another one of these cute strips. See if I put it on the bottom this time. There. All right. So that was a fun, quick spread. I don't have my usual task list over here, so I'm probably going to add a list. I'm probably going to use the Stephanie Fleming one. Let me grab that really quick. I walked away and found this one. I always leave and then come back with something totally different, right? I thought this would be really cute with the dots and just like a checklist, which would be perfect for what I need for the week. So this is where I'm going to have all of my to-dos for the week, and I'm just going to add that in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are ready to celebrate National Sticker Day on Wednesday. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you would hit that like and subscribe and the little alert bell there. Gosh, why can't I ever remember what that's called? That way you can get notifications on when the new videos come out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful week.